Web Designing for SEO, the Ultimate Guide. Why web design matters for SEO. Web design and SEO go hand in hand. A well-structured, visually appealing website isn't enough. It must also be optimized for search engines to rank well. When search engines crawl a website, they analyze its structure, content, and user experience. If a site is difficult to navigate, slow to load, or not mobile-friendly, it will likely struggle to rank in search results. User engagement plays a significant role. A website designed with SEO in mind enhances user experience, reducing bounce rates and increasing the time visitors spend on the site. These factors signal to search engines that the site is valuable, improving its ranking potential. Optimizing your website for SEO from the start can save time and resources. A site that's built with SEO-friendly principles is easier to maintain, rank, and scale over time. Key elements of an SEO-friendly website. Mobile responsive design. Mobile-first indexing means Google prioritizes the mobile version of your site when determining rankings. If your website isn't mobile-friendly, it can lose visibility in search results. A responsive design ensures that your site adapts to various screen sizes, offering a seamless experience across devices. Avoid intrusive pop-ups, ensure readable font sizes, and use flexible layouts for optimal performance. Website loading speed and SEO. Page speed is a ranking factor. A slow-loading website frustrates users, increasing bounce rates and lowering engagement. Ways to improve site speed include compressing images, using a content delivery network, minimizing JavaScript and CSS, leveraging browser caching, clean URL structure. URLs should be short, descriptive, and easy to read. Avoid complex parameters and include relevant keywords to improve search rankings and user understanding. User-friendly navigation. A clear, intuitive navigation structure helps users find information quickly, reducing bounce rates and increasing conversions. Use descriptive menu labels, maintain a logical hierarchy, and avoid excessive drop-down menus. Optimizing content for SEO. The importance of header tags. Header tags structure your content and make it easier to read. They also help search engines understand your content's hierarchy, improving SEO. Image optimization. Images enhance user experience but can slow down your site if not optimized. Use compressed image formats like WebP, add descriptive alt text, and implement lazy loading to improve performance. Internal linking strategies. Internal linking improves navigation and helps distribute page authority across your site. Use relevant anchor text and link to important pages to enhance SEO and user experience. Technical SEO considerations for web design. Technical SEO ensures that search engines can crawl and index your site effectively. Key factors include XML sitemaps, help search engines discover your content. Robots.txt controls what search engines can and cannot index. Secure HTTPS connection improves security and trustworthiness. Structured data. Markup enhances search engine understanding of your content. Conclusion. SEO-friendly web design is essential for online success. A well-optimized site improves rankings, enhances user experience, and increases conversions. By focusing on responsive design, fast loading speeds, structured navigation, and technical SEO, you can create a website that stands out in search results. Implement these best practices and your site will be better positioned to attract and retain visitors while achieving long-term SEO success.